Hello children, now we will solve one more question of first case of interest on drawings. That means when equal amount is withdrawn at at regular time period. First case. Again we are doing one more question of that. See the question, calculate interest on X drawings if he withdrew, first case is he withdrew rupees 40,000 during the year and interest is charged at the rate of 10% per annum. And the second case given is he withdrew rupees 40,000 during the year and interest is charged at the rate of 10%. We can see that both the questions are similar, only the difference is of per annum word. Here with the percent, per annum is given, and in this case only 10% is given. So let me make this clear that when the per annum word is written with percentage, is given with percentage, in that case we will consider the time period. That means for months calculation of interest, months calculation would be there. But if only the percentage is given, then we will not consider the time period. That means only we will charge the percent. Time period would not be considered. Let us understand by solving this question. So first A case we will solve. The X drawings, X interest would be amount withdrawn 40,000 and the rate of interest is 10%, and the per annum word is given. As we have discussed that if the per annum word is given, we would consider the time period. And here it is not mentioned that for how much period he has kept the money or when he has withdrawn the money. So in that case, if the time period is not clear, we will take 6 months. That means 6 by 12. So which is equal to 2,000 rupees. So interest on X drawing would be 2,000 rupees in first case when the per annum word is given with percentage. Now the second case is when only the percent is given, per annum word is not given. Then how we would calculate interest in that case? Let's see. The B case is X interest would be 40,000 drawings into 10 by 100. Simply we will charge the interest percentage, which is equal to 400 rupees. So that is the amount of interest. So in this question we must consider one fact, that while calculating the interest we will see that whether the per annum word is given or not. If the per annum word is given, we will consider the months, and if the only percentage is given, then we will simply apply the percentage on the amount. Then we will get the interest amount.